Let's see. Hello. Hello. Let's see. Oh, in this video, I'm going to show you my cat Shadow's amazing jumping ability. I made a hurdle with different levels of jumping, different levels that he can jump at. Let's see. And I guess the highest level he could probably jump would be maybe about 3 feet, something. Anyway, I'm not really sure. I'll have to measure it to be absolutely positive. But anyway, I made this little hurdle for my cat to jump over, and it has like 5 levels that he can jump at. Of course, the first level is very easy. He can just jump over that with no effort. But the very top level, you know, I worked with him for a while to jump over that, and he did an amazing job, you know, because cats are just natural jumpers. Like, they can leap, you know, from, like, I have this chest that's about maybe, oh, at least my height, about 5 feet, and he can go from the floor to the top of that chest, you know, just like that. But anyway, but this is a little bit lower, so he didn't have any problem jumping over this. And plus I gave him lots of treats. So, but anyway, well, actually, we did the jumping part first, but I'm putting this as at the beginning of the video, just to show how he can do it, you know, how well he can jump. But anyway, so, as I say on TV, without further ado, here is my amazing jumping cat, Shadow! Yay! Big applause. Thank you. Let's see.
Nothing you can say can